A dog's heart, just like our heart, is designed to pump blood around the body. In a healthy heart, smooth valves between the 4 chambers of the heart ensure that blood flows in only one direction. What many do not realize, however, is that dogs can experience heart disease just like humans. The most common heart disease in dogs is mitral valve disease, or MVD. In MVD, the smooth valves on the left side of the heart gradually become thick, lumpy, distorted, and leaky. When the heart pumps, blood flows the wrong way through these damaged valves. Vets detect the sound of this irregular blood flow when they hear a heart murmur. Dogs with MVD can live for years without symptoms. In most dogs, however, the leaking progressively worsens. This puts extra pressure on the heart, making it become larger and pump harder. Eventually, the heart cannot handle the extra strain, which can lead to heart failure. Heart failure symptoms include coughing, tiredness, difficulty exercising, and collapsing. MVD is a manageable condition, and if your vet detects a heart murmur in your dog, further tests are necessary to see whether your dog's heart is enlarged. Your vet can then suggest an appropriate management plan with regular checkups to monitor your pet for signs of worsening MVD. For more information about MVD or your dog's heart murmur, please speak to your vet.